In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta description in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to write a strong description, and what to expect after you save. First, a quick refresher. A meta description is the short summary that can appear under your site's title in search results. It doesn't directly boost rankings, but it strongly influences whether people click. Think of it as your elevator pitch to potential visitors. Clear, concise, and relevant wins every time. Let's get started. Open Google Sites and edit your site. If you're already logged in, go to your site's dashboard, choose the site you want to work on, and make sure you're in the editor view. You should see the editing toolbar and your page is on the right. If you're looking at a preview or a published view, switch back to the editor so the settings menu is available. Now look to the top right corner of the editor and click the gear icon labeled Settings. This opens the site level controls. Depending on your version of Google Sites, you may see slightly different options. If you have Viewer Tools listed, select that and then click Manage Site Settings. If you see an SEO settings option instead, choose that. Both paths lead you to the place where you can enter your site's description. Inside that settings panel, find the field called Site Description. This is where you'll write your meta description. Aim for 1 or 2 clear sentences that summarize your site's purpose and value. Keep it brief. Around 150 to 160 characters is a reliable sweet spot, so it's less likely to be truncated in search results. Include the main phrases people would use to find your site, but write naturally for humans first. Avoid keyword stuffing, avoid vague filler, and make sure your description matches the content visitors will actually find when they arrive. If your site covers multiple topics, highlight the most important theme and the benefit of visiting. Once your description looks good, save the changes. Look for a Save Done or similar confirmation button in the settings panel. After saving, your site now has a meta description that search engines can read. It may take a while for search engines to recrawl your site and reflect the new text, and they may sometimes choose a different snippet based on a user's query. That's normal, but a well-written description gives you the best chance to control what appears. And that's it, you've added a meta description in Google Sites quickly and correctly.